Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set up JSON-LD schema for your Shopify store using noryX. In just a few clicks, you'll make your products visible to Google, ChatGPT Atlas, and other AI-powered search tools. Start by heading to your noryX dashboard. Under Dynamic Storefront Optimization, select More Info in the Product Page section. Here, you'll find all the components available for your product's structured data, like descriptions, pricing, ratings, FAQs, and more. Enable the components you want included in your store's JSON-LD. Once you've made your selections, click Generate JSON-LD Code. In seconds, your optimized schema code is ready to go. Now, log into your Shopify admin and go to Themes. Select Customize to open the theme editor. In the theme editor, open Products, select Default Product. Scroll down and click Add Section. From the menu, choose Custom Liquid or HTML, whichever option your theme supports. Next, copy the JSON-LD code generated by noryX, paste it into the Custom Liquid section, and click Save. That's it, your one-time setup is complete. Back in noryX, you can verify that your structured content has been uploaded successfully. Expand the items to review your schema details. What you see here is exactly what search engines see. To confirm it's working, head to Google's Rich Results test at search.google.com/test rich results. Paste a product link from your store, and you'll see the structured data appear in real time, including pricing, reviews, and FAQs. Your JSON-LD schema is now live, helping your products stand out in both traditional and AI-driven searches. noryX keeps your structured data updated automatically, so your visibility grows while you save time. Be discoverable, be optimized, and be ready for the future of search with noryX. Automate your Shopify SEO with noryX and learn more at Sustern.